तमन्ना भाटिया।
இப்போது புதிய அறிமுகம் ஆச்சி ஹோட்டல் சாம்பார் 50 கிராம் ரூபாய் 20 மட்டுமே.
Let's welcome तमन्ना भाटिया।
Good evening, everyone. ఎల్లారొక్కు వణకం. చాలా మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు విన్నాను. అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
அங்க இருக்கும்போது அந்த பிள்ளைங்க எல்லாம் ஆசைப்பட்டு தளபதி விஜய் கூட நடிச்ச அனுபவம் அவரை பத்தி ஒரு 2 வார்த்தை சொல்லணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறாங்க.
Talapati Vijay. He is such a simple person, so gentle, ரொம்ப சாஃப்டா பேசுவாங்க. But when he dances, బాబోయ్,
One step.
ఆయన డాన్స్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఎవరు అంటే ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు కూడా. సో విజయ్ గారు, జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు, వెన్ ఎవర్ దే డాన్స్, ఐ హ్యావ్ నెవర్ సీన్ దెమ్ రిహర్స్. వాళ్ళు వస్తారు, స్టెప్ చూస్తారు, చేసేస్తారు. సో దే ఆర్ జీనియస్.
Wow, it's so nice to hear from you. தளபதி and junior NTR சொல்லும்போது தளபதியும் ரெண்டு வார்த்தை சொல்லணுமே. நம்ம தல அஜித் sir.
Ajit sir.
Ah.
I worked with Ajit sir. Ajit sir was so sweet. He used to make idli for me.
Wow.
In his caravan, he had a van. அங்கே சாப்பாடு பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு ஃபுட் குக்கிங்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So imagine so sweetly, I would get fresh idlis from the caravan.
Wow.
இல்ல பிரியாணி
So he's
பண்ணுவாருன்னு
like that
கேள்விப்பட்டேன்.
perfect.
பிரியாணி பண்ணுவாருன்னு கேள்விப்பட்டேன். பட் உங்களுக்காக ஸ்பெஷலா இட்லி பண்ணி
I used to get idli from, and he used to make it in the van.
Wow.
Like he was, but I feel like he's like the perfect family man, right?
Yeah.
Like he has that vibe, that softness, but very masculine, but very soft also. So that's how Ajit sir is.
Wow. அஜித் சார் fans. Super.
Pawan Super fans, Power Star fans. I really think that was one of my best films because I really enjoyed the dialogues in the film.
Your
The
attitude.
characterization,
Yeah.
like I don't know, our times low, he showed cameraman Ganga, who's a girl but such a badass girl. And what I love about Pawan sir is that he gives you the space to be the main focal point. నేను వేల్ టెక్ గురించి ఇంత విన్నాను, but first time when I'm seeing the kids, I just feel like I really want to go back to college. Preferably,
Ma'am, Happy Days College or normal
అక్కడ
study college?
సిబిఐటికి వెళ్ళాను,
CBIT కి వెళ్ళాలి కదా.
బట్ ఇక్కడ
మా ఇంటి పక్కనే.
అందుకే ఇక్కడ చెన్నైలో వేల్ టెక్ వెళ్తే బాగుంటుంది.
మ్యామ్ మీరు జాయిన్ అవుతారంటే చెప్పండి, మా వాళ్ళు చందాలు వేసుకొని మరి అడ్మిషన్ లో పెట్టేస్తారు మిమ్మల్ని.
I look at you guys and you know, whenever I'm shooting, sorry, నా వాయిస్ కొంచెం పోయింది. I sound like
పర్వాలేదు
this.
మ్యామ్, మీరు నెమ్మదిగా మాట్లాడినా మా వాళ్ళు రెచ్చిపోతారు.
నేను whenever I kind of come to a college festival, అప్పుడే I get the maximum energy. అంత అలాంటి ఎనర్జీ నాకు ఎక్కడ దొరకదు. సో ரியலி ஹாப்பி டு பி ஹியர். இங்கே என்னை கூப்பிடுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. நான் இங்கே புருஷன் படம் ஷூட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். ஸோ அந்த ஸ்கெடியூல் இப்போ முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இங்கே வரதுக்குள்ள நாளைக்கு மறுபடியும் மும்பை போறேன். பட் யூ கைஸ் are filling me up with so much energy, so much love that I think I don't know how to thank you guys for it. And ஒரே விஷயம் சொல்லணும், because நான் காலேஜ்க்கு போனதில்லை, அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எனக்கு கிடைக்கல. நீங்க இங்கே இருக்கீங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு மோமெண்ட் நீங்க என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஃபன் நீங்க அனுபவிக்கும் போது இந்த என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் நீங்க ரசிச்சு ஹாப்பியா என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா இந்த சேம் கால் மறுபடியும் வராது. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் என்ஜாய் யோர் செல்ஸ் and lots of love to each and every one of you for loving all my work. It's been 21 years now, and 21 years you guys are loving me the same way. Thank you so much.
எப்படி 21 வருஷம் இதே மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படத்துல கல்லூரியில பார்த்த தமன்னா மாதிரியே எப்படி இப்பவும் அதே மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க தமன்னா.
మీ ఏజ్ చెప్పారా మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు 21 ఇయర్స్ అని?
నేనేంటో మళ్ళీ కాలేజ్కి వెళ్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాను.
మీకు అడ్మిషన్ ఫామ్ ఫిల్ అప్ చేయాలా? మా సిఎంటి మ్యామ్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో రెడీ. మ్యామ్ రెడీ మ్యామ్ టు జాయిన్ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్టూడెంట్. Always. Always. We are always ready.
நீங்க வந்து டியூஷன் ஃபீஸ் எல்லாம் கட்டவே வேணாங்க, நீங்க வந்தா மட்டும் போதும் அப்படின்னு தான் வந்து எல்லாருமே இருப்பாங்க.
Only one problem, underage problem untademo ma'am.
No, thank you so much. Thank you guys.
No, but you're always so energetic, always so glamorous. అంటే మిమ్మల్ని స్క్రీన్ మీద చూసినప్పుడు విజిల్స్ వేస్తారు, మీరు చూస్ చేసుకునే రోల్స్ కూడా. యూ ఆల్వేస్ ఛాలెంజ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఫీమేల్ సెంట్రిక్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చేస్తారు, కమర్షియల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చేస్తారు, ఆఫ్ బీట్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చేస్తారు. యూ బ్యాలెన్స్ సో వెల్ అండ్ యూ మేనేజ్ సో వెల్. హౌ డూ యూ గెట్ దట్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ హౌ డూ యూ మెయింటైన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ సో వెల్? And you're so humble, dignified, and you present yourself in a so elegant way. How do you do that?
Uka, one best thing that happened to me when I was very young is I chose a profession that I really love. Now, that's an interesting part. And I'm sure ning ellaro anda oru time la irkinga where you're also discovering what do you really like and what are the subjects you like or what are the things you like to do. So in the phase unga life la actually romba mukyamana phase enakku adu nadandirukku when I was in school, where I had a very strong feeling that I have to be a performer and cinema field la poganonu and the thought vanambodu I really work towards it. Okay. So of course you can love what you do, but all of it is not fun, all of it is not easy. But you have to find that place where you enjoy something, so you don't mind suffering for it, you don't mind sacrificing for it, you don't mind having hard days for it. So I think I lucked out. I found that thing very, very early on. But you have to love it over and over again. So it's like a love affair that needs to happen again and again and again and again.
అంటే
And
మా
every few years it needs to reignite.
కాలేజ్ పిల్లలు ప్రొఫెసర్లు చెప్తే వినట్లేదు, మీరు చెప్తే వింటారేమో అనేసి లవ్ అఫేర్ గురించి. మీలాంటి వండర్ఫుల్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్టూడెంట్ ఉంటే డెఫినెట్ గా అందరూ కాలేజ్ కి రెగ్యులర్ గా వస్తారు.
బట్ లవ్ అఫేర్ పనితో లవ్ అఫేర్ ఉండడం చాలా కష్టం.
పనితో లవ్ అఫేర్ ఉండాలి, స్టడీస్ తో లవ్ అఫేర్ ఉండాలి. లవ్ అఫేర్ బిట్వీన్ నో స్టడీస్. yes.
We have many
small,
questions.
yeah.
We are going to ask you a lot of questions. Okay. ஏன்னா தமனா பேசினா போதும் அப்படின்னு நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. நீங்க சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஃபாலோ பண்றதுக்காக நிறைய அழகான பெண் you want to okay தமனாக்கு கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி வந்து உங்க எல்லாரும் கூட கனெக்ட் பண்ணனும் அப்படிங்கற ஆசை. So I think we'll come little more forward. Whale Tech University boys and girls, are you ready? Okay. So உங்க சார்பா உங்க எல்லாரும் சார்பாக ஒரு சில questions வந்து நம்ம கேட்க போறோம். On behalf of all of you, we're going to ask her, ma'am, if at all you're going to join this college and ஒரு department choose பண்றதா இருந்தா எந்த department நீங்க எடுப்பீங்க? What department? நல்ல கேள்வி. மேம் என்னெல்லாம் departments இங்க இருக்கு மேம்? மேம் கையில ஒரு மைக் கொடுங்க.
Ma'am, what do you think, which is the department I should join if I were to join Wales Tech? Engineering ma'am. Engineering
ma'am. అంటే హ్యాపీ డేస్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా మీకు? ఇంజనీరింగ్ హ్యాపీ డేస్ చేసినప్పుడు you said అంటే కాలేజ్
actually in school also, when I was in school Mumbai lo I had taken up technical drawing. That was one of the subjects I took as, so I
engineering
thought
drawing,
like technical, you learn technical drawing. So that is actually like the first base, right, of yeah. So I had done that in school. That they check if you can become an engineer, so you take that subject. So maybe an engineer, like how ma'am said.
Okay. உங்க டிபார்ட்மென்ட் வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணுமா? உங்க ஆசை பாருங்க. எந்த டிபார்ட்மென்ட் நீங்க?
Which department you want?
Which department?
Any department. Computer science.
I will tell you one department. We will start a department specially for you. Law, engineering, media, everything we will combine.
They are saying something I can't
my kids
understand.
will be happy.
What department are the girls saying?
Aeronautical.
We'll do a crash course in all little.
ఏ కోర్స్ అయినా పర్వాలేదు, వేల్ టెక్ యూనివర్సిటీలో మాత్రం జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి
అంతే. Whale Tech University జాయిన్ பண்ணா மட்டும் போதும்.
I can be your batchmate. I have come to meet everyone.
Okay, no problem. Ma'am, if at all, இந்த காலேஜ் இந்த crowd இதெல்லாம் பாக்கும்போது I'm sure நீங்க ஷூட் பண்ண அனுபவம் உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்ல, experience of shooting in the films like Happy Days and many movies. கல்லூரி இதெல்லாம் வந்து நீங்க காலேஜ் படிக்கும்போது which is something that you've been connected with that so much. அந்த காலேஜ் டேஸ்ல ஷூட் பண்ண அனுபவம் எப்படி இருந்தது உங்களுக்கு?
அப்போ நிறைய பேர் ஷூட்டிங்ல we were all from different places, different cities-ல வந்திருக்கோம். I don't know, எங்கேயும் ஐ திங்க் நிறைய பேர் ஒவ்வொரு சிட்டில வந்திருக்காங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ அது ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான ஃபேக்ட். ஏன்னா நீங்க சென்னையில இருக்கும்போது ஒரு மாதிரியான லைஃப் லிவ் பண்ணலாம். லைக் தேர் பசி பீப்புள் ஃப்ரம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பார்ட்ஸ், தெலுங்கு பீப்புள் ஃப்ரம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பார்ட்ஸ் கமிங் அண்ட் யூ நோ சார்ட் ஆஃப் எஜுகேட்டிங் தெம்செல்வ்ஸ் ஹியர். ஸோ அதுதான் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான திங், ஈவன் with Happy Days and with Kalluri, because they show people from different parts of society, different worlds coming together. Adha college oda best part, you get to meet different people from different places.
Different states. So that's something that you were enjoying, is it?
But in the 2-3 days ku apro nalla padipingilla, confirm ah padipingilla illaya padipingilla.
It's the most stylish star that you have worked with, అంటే who's very presentable, కొత్తగా చూపించాలనుకుంటారు మీరు. అరే ఇతన్ని చూసి మనం ఒక స్టైల్ సెన్స్ అనేది అడాప్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అని మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరిని చూస్తే అనిపించింది?
I agree. Jai Balaya. Even me, Jai Balaya. బట్ నేను పని చేసేటప్పుడు ఐ వాజ్ నా కెరియర్ చాలా స్టార్టింగ్ అప్పుడు నేను బన్నీతో పని చేశాను. బన్నీ అంటే ఇష్టమా, అల్లు అర్జున్ ఇష్టమా? బట్ హీఈస్ వన్ పర్సన్ హూస్ రియలీ స్టైలిష్ లైక్ ఆఫ్ కెమెరా.
ఊరికే అయిపోతారా ఐకాన్ స్టార్లు, చెప్పండి.
సో even like 15 years ago,
yes,
he was stylish. So I think I'm just happy for him. Whenever I see his success, I feel it's so nice.
Okay.
So thank you for making this evening so special for me. I hope I could come here and spend some time with you and enjoy. But I think you guys have made my evening. So thank you very much. Thank you, Veltech.
இப்போது புதிய அறிமுகம் ஆச்சி ஹோட்டல் சாம்பார் 50 கிராம் ரூபாய் 20 மட்டுமே.